Hi Diva lovers, welcome back to my channel. My name is K Young, as in Young Forever. In today's video I'll be making a bear, listen, a bear candle holder. Yes, a bear candle holder. But before we get into our DIY, today's motivation: money says earn me, forget everything. Time says follow me, forget everything. Future says struggle for me, forget everything. God says just remember me and I'll give you everything. Amen. With that said, let's go DIY. Okay, my Diva lovers, so here's my mug, my beer cup. I bought two at the, where did I got these? At Burlington. And I said I can make a beer candle out of this. They will be so stinking cute. So this says good people drink good beer. And the other one says beer is not just for hobby. It's a way of life. Okay. Now, as I said, you're gonna need two of this. You're gonna need two candle holders. These I got from the Dollar Tree. You're gonna need some bling bling. As you know, I like my bling bling. And this, as you see, I've been using. So this is gonna be a very quick DIY, very quick, easy DIY. So of course you're gonna clean container with alcohol or whatever you want to clean it with. Okay, then I'm gonna get my strip and I'm gonna put it around the edge. So I'm gonna, of course you're gonna need the scissors. I'm gonna count 5. It does come with adhesive already on the back, but I like to put on a little crazy glue just to keep it. And of course you're gonna need your glue gun. So I'm just gonna glue from the beginning to the end, because as I said, comes with the adhesive already, so you don't need all of that. Okay, we're gonna cut another 5. As I said, guys, this is very easy. And this is a quick DIY. We're gonna go right around. Of course, I have a little gap, so what I'm gonna do is measure. So Probably leave out 2 pieces. Yep. And 5 row down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna stick this bad boy in. I'm gonna do the other one and I'll be back. Okay, after doing this is what it looked like. I didn't glue the candle container in the bear because, you know, I probably reuse it, recycle the right word. I probably recycled it. I decided, you know, I love my lights. Okay, so I decided I want to put some fairy lights. That's what they call them. Yes, and I got these at Amazon. Yeah, fairy lights. I got these at Amazon. So what I'm gonna do is put it in. I did one already off camera. I don't know if you can see. I did one off camera. So I'll do the other one. I said this was real simple, real simple. When I was doing it, I said, hey, can I get some light in this cup? And I said, oh yeah, you can, girl. I said, yeah, you can, girl. So I want to get it down the bottom. Of the cup. There you go. There we go. Oh, come on. There you go. There you go. Then I'm gonna leave a little piece outside. I'm not gonna crazy glue it because I'm not gonna ugly because I'm gonna repurpose it, of course. So Dollar Tree have these stickers. I'm gonna stick one on onto the fairy light, and voila. Okay, move the pull sticker. Okay, and we are going to decorate. Okay, deep lovers, so that's my bear cup candle holder. Slash, wait for it, fairy lights, slash fairy lights. Ain't that beautiful? So that's my beer cup candle holder slash fairy lights. And that comes to the end of my DIY. Now guys, don't forget, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Subscribe so each time I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you guys. Be safe and see you in my next video. Ciao.